Hi everybody, it is me again. I wanted to share with you very quickly how you can personalize your course so that students feel like you are speaking directly to them. If you notice, when I log into my course, it says, "Hi Nicole." So how did I do that? Let's just take a quick view under the Edit button. It's called a string. You use squiggly bracket, capital F first, capital N name, no space, closed squiggly brackets, and you just save it, and voila, whatever student logs into your course, it is going to say hi and their name. Likewise, you can utilize this option in the grades and feedback that you give to students on their assignments. So we have a pre-assessment taking place right now, and once I am able to go in and grade these students who have already completed, there are 5, same thing here. So when I go to their feedback, I can type my message, whatever that message may be, but in the very beginning or at the end, I can use open squiggly bracket, first name, capitalizing F for first and N and name with no space, close squiggly bracket, and then whatever punctuation is appropriate there. And now when this student logs in, this student, Olivia, will see this say, "Olivia, thank you for completing the pre-assessment, blah blah blah." All I have to do is save it, hit save and close. Easy peasy personalizing your course.